Paul? Yes. hmm You know, the library has a copy of the session laws of the state of Washington. Yes. And this is the most recent one. And as I understand it, these are the laws of the state of Washington. Yeah. Educational Service District, civil liability, teacher assignment data collection. Yeah. Foreclosures. Mason County Superior Court judges. Hmm. Now, I was just looking at some old emails. Yes. Driver's licenses and identity cards. Oh, the veteran designation? Really? Yes. Why don't we get those driver's licenses and the identity cards? Yes. As well as all the veteran designations. And then there's what's known as midwifery. Yeah. And K through 12 education. Marijuana processing and retail licenses. Oh. And then money transmitters. Oh. Homeless students, K through 12 schools. And then they got mental health and chemical dependency treatment services. Yes. Could you get me all the mental health and chemical dependency treatment services? Yes. Excuse me, I got an itch. Where you issue a court order for, mental health or chemical dependency. You know, I noticed the number of times that I've gone to court that it seemed like a lot of the persons that I was in jail with, yes, a lot of them have chemical dependency problems and they had to go to treatment. You know, this idea that you don't have to have the evidence, right? There doesn't have to be any witnesses of any allegations of the accused. Yes. I'm kind of thinking that this frivolous idea that if the police arrest you, you're guilty. Yes. That Fifth and Sixth Amendment. Yeah. Could you get me all the plea agreements? Is that what they're called? I just want to know each and every county of the United States. Yes. Where was a court ordered mental health evaluation. Yes. Without admitting any evidence. Yes. Without any Sixth Amendment rights. Yes. And then court-ordered treatment. Yes. Now, I would think that before you could be ordered to go, yes, to any place really, they'd have to have some sort of evidence against you that you committed some sort of crime. Now, a lot of people might have been intoxicated, yes, or under the influence of what is now legal. Now, Department of Licensing wildfires, yes. Law enforcement officers in the firefighters retirement system. Search warrants, magistrate access. And then there's the crimes, the DUIs, and the DUI consecutive sentences, property taxes. And then I was looking for that Barratry. See, I would say that it's a frivolous lawsuit on the part of the state to arrest somebody when you know they didn't commit a crime. And I know the meaning of it is if one party sues another party, right, in a court of law, and it's really just a frivolous lawsuit. See, I don't file frivolous lawsuits. It's something where I just don't look to really screw up somebody's personal life. Yes. But when I get arrested for the allegation of violating the constraint provisions, oh, now we do have on Chapter 52 crimes, coercions of involuntary servitude. Yes. This is probably something. Page 284, 284. Yes. Do you, as a state, have to enforce all of these, or is it at your discretion? Why don't you give me all the treatment locations and the court order treatments? Yes. I'd just like to know why it was that they agreed to do what they did. And then, look at this. Look here, chapter number 50, Senate Bill 6093. Education background checks, portable background check clearance card. You know, I'd like to get one of these portable background check clearance cards. Yes, Could you get me all the clearance cards? Yes, of all of those that had a background check. Oh, now let's say school districts, educational service districts, the Washington State Center for Childhood Deafness and Hearing Loss, the State School for the Blind, and their contractors hiring employees who regularly scheduled unsupervised access to children shall require a record check through the Washington State Patrol Criminal Identification System. Under RCW 43.43.830 through 43.43.834, and through the Federal Bureau of Investigation before hiring an employee. Now, I would say, let's say, well, I'm just wanting all these portable clearance cards in each and every school district. Now, this is the whistleblower's procedures after investigation. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Now, when the Commission has completed the investigation of a complaint alleging workplace reprisal or retaliatory action against a whistleblower as defined, Commission notify the complainant of the completion of the investigation. Now, I know I'm not employed in the state of Washington, but if the individual filing a complaint alleging workplace reprisal or retaliatory action against a whistleblower under Chapter 70.87 RCW is represented by a labor union, I got to thinking about those employed in the state of Washington. Yeah. Could you get me all the employees that, though they don't pay income tax, yes, they do buy goods and services that they pay a taxation on? Now, this idea of the arbitrary use of the judicial system, yeah, to arrest individuals that you know are innocent. You know, this morning I touched upon the sales tax. Yes. Yeah. I'm just thinking that for you to defraud the citizens of the state and the United States of the enforcement of the laws because you're a police officer. See, when you arrest me for the allegation of a crime and I said, well, I wasn't there. Yes. Somebody ordered a mental health evaluation. And your thought was, well, we're just going to say he's crazy. But when you defraud just get me the driver's licenses, the identity cards, yes. The veterans designations, yes. The portable cards of those in school districts that have had background checks, yes. And then get me the actual sales tax revenue of each and every individual, yes, that has Well, I'm gonna talk to you about what's frivolous. Oh, see, it's